So, what's up everyone? We're back again with a new video over here, and today is the chocolate day for the lovers. Like, if you have someone in your life, they don't want a chocolate though. So we're just enjoying and just roaming around over here. And as you can see over here, the whole market is right now closed. Not closed like that, but it's not so crowded. You can see these are the umbrellas and umbrellas with lights and all these posters I have shown you earlier in my vlogs though. Look at that, it's Shin Chan and wow, Spider-Man over that side. Spider-Man, with great powers comes great responsibility. My camera is getting blurred when I am zooming in that. Now, let's go. There. Anshu. And Deepak? Come again. Yeah, bro. So, we're now moving again. Let's go. Wow, bro, what's up, yo? You're selling flowers. What kind of flowers do you have? Rose, and I don't know all the names of these flowers though, but yeah, good work. I don't have a girl. Sorry for that. I don't have a girl. I don't have a girl. Sorry. I don't have a girl. So. Look at here. We have the stuffed toys. Bear, panda. And is this one Pikachu? Looks like Pikachu, but it's a rabbit. Looks like Pikachu, but it's a rabbit. And many more ahead. Look at this one. Whale, dolphin, and piggy. Look at this one. This one is a globe. And let's go. Wow, it's amazing. This one? Solar system. Thank you. Can you please hand over to me? Oh shit! Whoa. Sorry. Sorry for that. Wow. Can you please hold it in your hand? I wanna have the focus on it. Yeah, let me focus on it. Wow, so amazing, man. Wow, so beautiful. What's the price of this one?
It's for 150.
So 150. Wow, it's so beautiful. And there are other ones too over here. Like I've seen the jellyfish. This is the jellyfish. Maybe the moon or the Mars, I don't know. It's moon or Mars, but it's beautiful. Solar system. And what's this? I don't know what's this. Wow, beautiful. And that's the Milky Way galaxy. Look at this one. Wow, let me zoom. No, let me focus on it. Wow, so beautiful. Just for 150. If you come to Connaught Place in Delhi, so you can buy all this stuff. Sir. It's just for 150. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, thank you. It was just for 150. 150 means something around like $2. If you count it in dollars, something around like $2. But was so beautiful. Now look at this one. This one is the Khanna fabrics. The suits and everything for the ladies and everything. So you can see these are all the suits. I have been here before because I wanted to buy some suit for someone, for my known ones. So I've been at this place before. Yeah. And they have really some good fabrics with them. You can see Yeah. Thank you. The Beer Cafe. Hi, the Beer Cafe. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Nice to meet you. What's your good name again?
Mahesh.
Mahesh. My name is Mayank. Nice to. MM, bro. Yeah. MM is equal to M square. Snow White. Hi, Snow White. Wow, Discord. Swiss watches since 1853. Let's see inside what we can see. Hello, sir. Hello. So, like, do you have some good watches to show us? Can you please show some good watches?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
This is Michael Kors.
What's that? Where?
Michael Kors.
This one.
Yes, sir. All of them.
All right. Yeah,
And
it's
this all
good.
Emporio money.
These are Emperor money, right? And
And this is fossil.
fossil. Yeah, fossil. Well, this one is so unique and genuine. This one.
This one is Armani Exchange, sir.
Money exchange. What's the price of this one?
Which one?
This one, sir. No. Yeah. What's the price of this one?
This is 16,000, sir.
16,000. Is there any discount available on this one?
Yes, sir, we have to check that.
You have to check that. Can you please get me know about that thing?
Sure.
Wow, then this is a really sick app, as we can see. That's a dog piece, though.
Hi, sir, you shooting for?
What's your?
You shooting for you?
Yes.
For?
Are you a blogger?
Yeah.
What is the name?
It's Impression Life 333.
333.
Yeah, AMPRAS.
Could you wait, sir, kari?
Yeah, let me tell you. Wait. Okay. So yeah, please can you hand it over? Please excuse me. Yeah. Thank you. All right. So just check out this one. So this is really cool and dope. Like I have also seen this one on the hands of Logan Paul and also on the hand of KSI. They also wear these kind of wrist watches though, and this is really cool. Is this the only watch that is been liked by me?
No, sir. This is the hot sir.
Sorry. Yeah. All right. And more. So I've seen the watch. It was Armani Exchange, and it was worth 16,000 rupees. And when they reduced the price to a discount offer, it was something around like 14,400. So like something around like we can say 150 American dollars, 150 US dollars, something like that only. 150 American dollars. Look at this place. These guys are doing busking, and busking is going on. What's up? So these people are gonna do the busking. You can see. Hey, what's up, man? Where you from? Delhi. Nice to meet you. What's a good name?
Nihal Sharma.
Nihal Sharma. Nice to meet you, Nihal. It's Mike over this side. All right, so now we're gonna go to Adidas. Let's see what Adidas has. Excuse me. Hello, sir. All right, so these are the kicks. You can see. Which kind of? Hi, how are you? Hi. Do it again. What's your good name? What's that? She's with you? Oppo Kotha. Alright, you guys are from? Bengal, West Bengal. Ah, good. Oppo Kotha. My name is Mayank. Nice to meet you, Oppo Kotha. Alright, so excuse me. Sir, excuse me. Can you please attend me? Are you here to please attend me? Please. Sir, I want to see like a high ankle sneakers, like the basketball shoes.
We have baskets only these articles.
Only these articles?
Yeah, only these articles. Three colors, orange, blue.
But they are not something around like they are not high ankles.
No, These are made one.
They are made ones. You have only these collections only?
Yeah, one days, but these are for sneakers. Like
No, they are so right now this much only.
yeah, on this.
Thank you so much. All right, little one, we have to go. Thank you so much. All right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I am so like it's so freaking amazing that how the people of India they get so friendly because this is what our India teaches about just love, peace, harmony, and like all these things. Just peace everywhere, peace and love, with lots of compassion. And well, I am a really sneakerhead. I like basketball shoes. I like sneakers, high ankle sneakers, and I even like Vans Skate High. I like those sneakers. I got all these things from Paul Walker. Paul Walker, you know, Fast and Furious. So from Fast and Furious, Brian. Brian, I saw Fast and Furious 7, and in that Brian was wearing Vans Native American Law sneakers. So when I saw those shoes, I was like, bro, what are these shoes? And I just loved them. And then I was like, that when I searched, there were the shoes of, hey, what's up? Yeah, please come in the camera. Yeah. I was just talking about I am a sneakerhead though, so I was talking about how's my journey began for being a sneakerhead. That's why. Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, where was I? So Paul Walker, American Vans, AV Native American Law sneakers, and I really got so in love with those shoes. I just wanted those shoes, but unfortunately, I didn't get those shoes anywhere. But still, I love those shoes. I would love if I will get those shoes somewhere. But I don't know if I will get them or not because now company has also stopped making those kind of shoes. Look at this thing. They have beautifully decorated this thing, and this is looking so amazing. This thing comes when Diwali happens. Diwali, the festival of lights and joy. Sweet potato, and you can see these hangers for ladies. And yeah, again the posters, you can see them. These are the posters again, you can see. And over here you can see the phone covers are here. So they are selling the phone covers also. You can see it. Hello sir, how are you? What's your good name, sir? What's your good name? Lalji Gupta. Nice to meet you, sir. My name is Mayank. Thank you. And you? You? No, he doesn't want to come in the video. So, we have traveled, we have done everything, and now, one thing, I had my channel earlier, but it got hacked by someone. So now I have made this channel again, and I am doing it consistently. That I have to do it, and then I will show it to people. I'm doing it. I will show that I am gonna win one day. Maybe not now, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, or maybe not the next month. But I'm gonna be a winner. I'm gonna be a champion. That's for sure. Yeah, that's for sure. And you know about Ronaldo. Ronaldo even says this thing. You are never too late to do something. You are never too late. So I'm never too late for doing anything. And whenever you wakes up, then is the sunrise. So that's a beautiful quote that I am telling you. Hello, brother. What's up? Yeah. So like Cristiano Ronaldo. Like, do you guys know Cristiano Ronaldo, bro? You don't know Ronaldo? Ronaldo is a football player, bro. They don't know about Ronaldo. So yeah, it's not necessary if someone knows you or not, but Ronaldo, you don't know Ronaldo?
We know Virat Kohli.
You know Virat Kohli?
Yes, we know Virat Kohli, a top Indian cricketer of our India.
And what about soccer?
We are not interested in
You're not interested in soccer, in football?
Yes.
No?
cricket. India is all about cricket.
It is all about cricket, but Virat Kohli has...
Currently, is India is all about.
but Virat Kohli has taken his retirement from your Indian cricket, right?
So what? We are India.
So-
we are cricket fan.
So now who is? Still Virat Kohli?
Yes.
Alright. When
So
speed...
you do vlogging.
Yeah, I do vlogging.
Great
When-
job. Best of luck your future, bro.
Thank you so much. I was just saying this thing only. That maybe not today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna be your best vlogger someday.
It will take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year.
But I will do it. I'm gonna make it
But
for
if
sure.
you never give up, you
Never give up. Just never give up, bro.
best of luck,
Thank you so much. What's your good name?
Varun.
Varun. Thank you, my well-wisher. Varun, my name is Mayank. And you, bro? What's your good name?
Kanhaiya.
Kanhaiya. Hey, yo, on the name of Lord Krishna. So maybe you are clever and some joyful man inside, right?
My friend will tell better about me.
You guys are really amazing. Nice to meet you both. Alright, yeah. I was just telling this thing only that Cristiano Ronaldo told about that you are never too late to do anything.
It's a good thing.
It's
It's
a
a
good
good
thing.
line
It's a good line and
for
a good
mindset.
quote. Good mindset, yeah.
So okay, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you again. Yeah. Wow, so beautiful. He's singing Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. As I have told you in the previous vlog about Hare Rama and Hare Krishna, about the Lord Ram and Lord Krishna, the Hinduism gods, the majorly worshipped Hinduism gods, God Ram and God Krishna. And here we have Nika Lukes. You can see this. So I entered inside of the like a store and I asked them about those products. Like I asked that if you have something about for acne or pigmentations. So they said no, they don't have anything like that. So yeah. Not so, yeah, I like those products, but maybe not that much though. So yeah, now is the time to go back to our place. Where is the metro? I'm gonna use the metro. Maybe I should stay here for a little bit longer, but my time and my home doesn't allow me to do that, and we have to go now. So, folks, this is how these all things are going around. So I hope that you guys like today's vlog. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. And yeah, just freaking amazing. And always put God first. God everything. God is everything, bro. Like just love God. Just praise the God. Because everything that's going on in life, that's because of God. And God is everything, you know. God is everywhere. God is within us. We are within God. So yes. Let's go. Thank you so much for bringing the video. Nice to meet you all. Still subscribed. We are as a family in this video. Not in this video, but on this channel. We are as a family worldwide. Thank you so much. Let's go.